everybody, this is Magical Maiden, and I wanted to do an announcement, sort of update, to notify you that I will be having an upcoming review video on some beautiful jewelry from flowerlegend.net. I will have the link published underneath this video in the description box. It'll be www.flowerlegend.net. And also, in that description box, I'm going to put a promotion code as well so that you could go check it out before I have my review video up. So you get a little sneak peek into maybe some of the things I will be reviewing. Now, I haven't received the product yet, but once I do, I always give honest reviews, and I think most of you know that have watched my review videos. I do reviews on products that I've purchased or I've got as gifts, or that companies contacted me and asked me to do a review. So I would like for you to look under this video in the description box for the link to flowerlegend.net, as well as the promotion code if you see anything that you'd be willing to purchase. So when you go to the flowerlegend.net website, you're going to see, and I'm going to take you there right now. So when you're going there, you're going to be going right here. This is the home page. Up here you have products, types, shipping, service, and contacts. You're going to be scrolling down and you will see some of the jewelry, and then there'll be a promotional video right here. And I'm just going to show you a bit of it, but when you go there, you can watch it and it'll take you there to this video that you click and that you play. Okay. And it'll show you some of the jewelry that they have. So this is beautiful jewelry with flowers. So when you click on products and you go to the drop down, we're going to take you to some of the different products that we have here. And some of the products are right here. Sterling silver, and then they have gold. And what they do is it's handmade sterling silver pressed flower earring sets. And this is chrysanthemum red. There's the yellow. They have rings, and you can go by type if you want, and they have earring, necklaces, rings, and a set. So I'm going to click set just to give you an idea. And look, you have earrings and a necklace with beautiful real pressed flowers in there. And then you can click on the different pages and you'll see more. So remember to go ahead and go in the description box under this video when you're done watching this video and look for that promotion code. Click that link and go order yourself some. And don't forget to be subscribed and click that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my newest content, especially my jewelry review on one of these beautiful products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.